So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker, and you want paid time off, you want sick leave, you want benefits, you want funds transferred to your account this same exact day, there's a brand new company that just launched called Cover, and they're doing a special right now. If you use my link down below, you'll get your first 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month, but again, if you use my link, you'll get your first 30 days for free. And if you ever get into an accident, temporarily deactivated, hospitalized, there's a bunch of reasons. If you get into an emergency, they will replace your income of 80% and you don't need to pay that money back. They even help drivers get reactivated who have been deactivated. Again, use the link down below to get your first 30 days for free. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any gig platforms, you need to at least check it out, at least sign up and get your first 30 days for free by accepting my gift. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you all for 45,000 subscribers, baby. We're rising up, we're rising the ranks of the Rideshare YouTube channels. We're coming for you, the Rideshare Guy. We're close, we're gonna pass you soon, I promise. Dustin is driving, he's another I don't know, he might have his beat, okay? He makes crazy reaction videos, so I know those videos get a lot of views. But hey, today, here on the Rideshare, we like to talk about driver earnings, so that's what we're talking about today. And in matter of fact, Uber has finally raised rates for drivers in California. So sorry if you don't live in any of the other states, but Uber has raised rates in California in the form of an actual proposition, which we're gonna be looking at today. If you haven't heard of Prop 22 and you're an Uber driver, maybe you've been living under a rock, but basically, I mean, it's just in California, so I don't blame you. But if you're in California and you're an Uber driver and haven't heard of Prop 22, well, then you definitely have been living under a big boulder. I don't know what I was gonna say there, but regardless, please thumbs up this video if you like extra money, and so we can get more drivers to be on this platform. We can get more drivers who do want to make more money and actually receive those benefits. And actually, I've heard, by the way, guys, this is a tip-top secret, so shh, don't tell anyone, but Uber's CEO actually confirmed in an interview asking if he would take this nationwide, and he said yes. So if this passes in Prop 22 in California, this could be a nationwide thing where drivers make more money. And not only are they increasing earnings, they're also introducing healthcare benefits and occupational accident insurance. So if you ever get injured during a ride, you know, they're gonna cover your bills, your medical bills. And not only that, but they're gonna provide you a stipend for paying for your healthcare. So if you have a private healthcare company like I do, I pay $157 a month, I think, 140. I mean, it's a lot, right? But if you drive 15 hours per week, you're getting $150 in a medical stipend. And the more you drive, the more that is. So it could be over $300 if you drive at least 30 hours a week, I believe. So hey, that's pretty good, right? So, but today we're looking at the earnings guarantees. So please thumbs up this video, and also check out Cover down below if you want paid time off, sick leave protections, and a bunch more. So this combined with Cover, even if this doesn't pass, even having Cover is something that every single driver should have, in my opinion. Every Uber driver, Lyft driver, if you drive at least 10 hours a week, you need to be on Cover. And if you don't even drive 10 hours a week, check out the link down below and you will get your first 30 days for free. It's a gift that we're giving you guys. So, you know, it's a value. It starts at $7 a month. It goes all the way up to $100 a month. You know, if you want that full like 30 days of coverage or whatever, if you use the link below, you get 30 days for free to at least try it out. And they even help drivers get reactivated. They've helped several drivers get reactivated. I was just talking to their legal team yesterday, and they told me a lot of drivers have gotten reactivated. So definitely check out the link down below. And now let's get started. I'm gonna click on my mail app in 3, 2, 1, click, so you guys can follow along. But here we go, guys. Explaining Prop 22's earnings guarantee. By the way, guys, this is happening on November 3rd. Today's the 21st, 22nd. By the time I upload this is gonna be happening in less than 2 weeks. So this is huge news, guys. This is breaking current event news. We believe a better way to work is possible. Explaining Prop 22's earnings guarantee. So let's break it down. Because, guys, this is huge news. And let's look at the facts here. So they break it down. Apps like Uber are great for finding flexible work that can help you make ends meet. But it can, honestly, for me, Uber helped pay off my credit card bills, dude. Oh, you guys ever been in credit card debt? It sucks. I had 5,000 bucks in credit card debt. I was paying 29% interest on my Discover card, 0% APR on my Bank of America card, which, you know, I did a little balance transfer there. Woo-wee! Not fun, but thankfully for rideshare, I was able to pay that off. But if Prop 22 doesn't pass, people aren't gonna have that opportunity anymore. That's why we're fighting for Prop 22. It will give you an earnings guarantee, so you can always know the minimum that you'll earn for your time. Prop 22's earnings guarantee includes minimum earnings. If you earn less than the guarantee, 120% of minimum wage over 2 weeks, Uber will pay you the difference. If you go out and you make less than minimum wage, Uber's like, you know what? We're gonna give you 1.2 times % of that minimum wage plus 30 cents per mile you put in your car. Sounds great to me, right? That's the expense reimbursement. Sorry, I jumped the gun there, guys. I got a little excited. You know when you just get a little excited, you're talking to a cute girl and you're like, oh! Sorry, that's what happened to me, because guys, this earnings guaranteed includes 30 cents per mile to account for, I'm sorry, guys. You guys are probably watching this like, who is this freaking weirdo? That's me, baby, Dylan. By the way, guys, what else contributes to my weirdo-ness is being a TikToker. I have 1.1 million followers on TikTok. If you haven't followed me yet on TikTok, go there. Oh my gosh, we do crazy, funny, hilarious drive-through prank videos. We did one where we literally drove through a drive-through backwards. Guys, if you're not on TikTok yet, just download the app. Thank me later. Who cares about your data? Oracle is an American-owned company. They manage all of TikTok's US data now, so you have nothing to worry about. But look at this, guys. I drove through a drive-through backwards and they actually kicked me out. They actually kicked me out. It's super funny. You can go watch it later. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. But anyways, back to Uber. They go no upper limit. It's a minimum. So if Prop 22 doesn't pass and everyone has to be employees, there's going to be a minimum and a maximum. They're going to pay you, I don't know, 15 bucks an hour, and that's all. You don't keep any of the tips, I'm assuming. Well, maybe you do keep tips. I don't know, but no upper limit. So that's the minimum guarantee. And then you could, if you get a $60, $70, $80 ride in an hour, if you're driving Uber, whatever, surge or whatever, surge pricing, you keep all that money. It's only for if you go out and you don't make a lot of money. So tips are on top. This is big news too, guys. So when you go into your Uber app and calculate your earnings, right? Calculate your earnings, because this needs to take into account, if tips are usually a lot of money, right? It's like, I know for me, like 30% of my income is through tips alone. So if tips are on top, that's a good amount that you're earning just on rides alone. Plus you get your tips, plus you get the 30% gas expense reimbursement, plus you get 1.2 times. So this is what it'll look like. If you drive for 500 miles for 20 hours, you're making 462 bucks. So for 20 hours, 462 divided by 20, you're looking at $23 an hour minimum. That's the minimum amount, guys. The only downside is that this little asterisk here, it's on route to pickups and on trip only. So unfortunately, you don't get paid for waiting. So you're gonna have to hack the system, guys. You're gonna have to become a YouTuber or a vlogger and vlog in between your rides and start making I don't know, I'm just joking. You gotta come up with something to do in between your rides, because you're not getting paid for that. Or just drive during the peak hours. This is gonna incentivize drivers to really drive during peak hours, because as long as you're getting rides, you're gonna be getting this minimum amount. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Oh yeah, they already did it. 23 bucks an hour. They did the math for me. So that's it for today's video, guys. Uber finally raised rates, so round of applause. Thumbs up this video if you want that money. check out the links down below to sign up for Uber or Lyft if you want to sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. And check out the link down below for COVID to receive pay time off benefits, sick leave, and more. And you get your first 30 days for free if you do use my link down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And again, thank you so much for 45,000 subscribers. You guys are all amazing. Oh, check out my second channel, The Finance Hub. Thank you all. All right, bye guys.